The AMP ControlPro Hardscape series is built for lighting professionals who value speed, flexibility, and long-term performance. Its magnetic LED module design means fast, tool-free servicing, no rewiring required. Choose from warm white 2700 Kelvin or full spectrum RGBCW with vibrant color, tunable whites, and precision dimming, all in one fixture, available in 3 sizes. Available in your choice of black or antique bronze. Each light features solid cast brass construction, 180-degree rotatable housing, and multiple mounting options for quick installs on any surface. With lumen outputs up to 438, IP65 moisture protection, and a lifetime warranty, the ControlPro Hardscape series delivers unmatched reliability in the field.